Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 1 for CBSE Board, Chapter number 7 Coordinate Geometry. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some term related to coordinate geometry. Now, you know coordinate geometry. You have learned about coordinate geometry in 9th standard. So, therefore, I start from some topics. Okay. Now, in your syllabus, there are three main topics. One is distance formula, number two section formula, and number three area of triangle. So, if you remember all these formulas, then you can easily solve all examples on what based on coordinate geometry. Okay. Now you know distance formula. Distance formula. Now suppose A and B are 2 points, then you can find distance between them. Suppose A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, then distance AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So this is a formula. By heart this formula. Section formula. Suppose A and B are 2 points and this is a line segment joining this point, and suppose P divides this line segment in the ratio m1 is to m2, then you can find the coordinate of this point, that is point P. Okay. Suppose A is equal to x1 y1 and B is equal to x2 y2, and say P is equal to x1 y1 divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m2, then you can find the coordinate of B. So coordinates of B are m1 x2 m1 x2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2, and y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Then midpoint formula. Suppose this is sec AB, M is midpoint of sec AB, and A is equal to x1 y1, B is equal to x2 y2. Suppose M is midpoint having coordinate xy, then you can find the coordinate of midpoint using section formula. Okay. Now, therefore, coordinate of point M x1 y xy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 plus y1 plus y2 upon 2. Okay. And third formula, which is important, area of triangle. This is triangle ABC, in which A is equal to x1 y1, B is equal to x2 y2, and C is equal to x3 y3. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So here sequence is important. x1 start from what? y2 y3. x2 start from y3 y1, and x3 start from y1 y2. Okay. Now to understand all this formula, I will take some example from exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Find the distance. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. These are 2 points given. Find distance between them. Let P x1 P be x1 y1 is equal to 2 comma 3 and q x2 y2 is equal to 4 comma 1. By distance formula, distance PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and then you simply substitute values, and therefore PQ is equal to under root 4 minus 2 square plus 1 minus 3 square is equal to, this is 4 minus 2 means 2 square is equal to 4, plus this is 1 minus 3 means minus 2 square is equal to plus 4. So 4 plus 4, and therefore is equal to root 8 and is equal to 4 into 2 and is equal to 2 root 2. So therefore distance between P and Q is equal to 2 root 2 units. Okay. Question number 2. Minus 5, 7, minus 1, 3. These are 2 points. Let P is equal to minus 5, 7. Q is equal to minus 1, 3. Now in this case, I will give you one trick to write what points or their coordinates easily. So write your points below each other so that you can determine coordinates very easily. Now distance PQ start from what Q. Okay, distance PQ start from what Q. Minus 1 minus 5, that minus 1 minus 5 means plus 5 square plus 3 minus 7 square is equal to, this is 4 square is 16, this is also 4 is equal to 16, and therefore distance PQ is equal to under root 32 is equal to 16 into 2 is equal to 4 root 2 units. Question number 3. 2 points are A comma B and minus B comma minus B, minus A comma minus B. So write your points below each other. A is equal to A comma B, B is equal to minus A comma minus B, and therefore distance AB is equal to under root, start with what B, minus A square plus minus B square is equal to minus 2A square plus minus 2B square. So minus 2A square is positive, under root 4A square plus 4B square, here you take 4 common, so distance AB is equal to under root 4 into bracket A square plus B square, so 4 you take outside this square root side, so is equal to 2 root A square plus B square. Okay. Question number 2. Find the distance between 0, 0 and 36, 15. Solution. Let O 0, 0 and A 36, 15. So I write point below each other, and then I use formula, distance OA is equal to, start from A, 36 minus 0 square plus 15 minus 0 square gives you 36 square plus 15 square. So under root 36 square is equal to 1296 plus 15 square is equal to 225. If you add this, you will get under root 1521, and then you simplify this. So factorize this. So under root 3 into 3 into 13 into 13, and therefore distance between O and A is equal to 3 into 13, that is 39 units. Question number 3. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. Now this is slightly important question, complicated, it is important. Solution. Let P 1 5 be x1 y1, q 2 3 be x2 y2, and r minus 2 minus 11 be x3 y3. Then I find area of this triangle. Okay, if these 3 points form a triangle, then these three are not collinear. Okay, so therefore ARPQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket formula x1 into bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 minus y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket y1 minus y2. So is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 into bracket 3 plus 11 plus 2 minus 11 minus 5 minus 2 into bracket 5 minus 3. If you simplify this, you will get 1 upon 2. This is equal to 14 minus 32 minus 4. Simplify this, you will get minus 22 upon 2 is equal to minus 11. So area of this triangle is equal to 11 square units. So these 3 points form area. Area is there, and therefore they form a triangle, and that means given points form triangle, and therefore they are not collinear. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.